Hi guys, in today's video I'm here at the poultry house. I couldn't do it from inside because the birds are making a lot of noise, and so I've noticed some changes in these birds. And for the last 3 days the production is going down slowly. They're not laying at a pace I expect them to, and so I've been curious to see what's wrong and what could be the problem. And so we discovered that they could possibly be having coccidiosis because we saw some bloody stool somewhere. And yeah, the birds are not so good. They're eating, they're drinking, but they're not laying well, and there is some diarrhea. So we are going to treat them. But before I give the medicine, I'm going to give them charcoal to boost their immunity, because it's very good in doing that. It's a remedy that is going to help them meanwhile as I get the medicine. So this video, let's go and get the charcoal. We organize it, we give it to the birds. Now, I have done research about this charcoal. I've seen so many farmers who have used it here on YouTube and on other farms, and it's been so helpful. They have been able to see noticeable changes in their birds. So I'm going to use it too today. I've been using it somehow, but that's that I didn't share videos. So let's make it today. And if you're watching me for the very first time, my name is Asperia, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share it with your friends. Let's go together. Okay, come, let's make that video. So I'm going in here to get the drinkers out because I want to kind of starve them so that they be so thirsty. And by the time I bring this charcoal, I'm going to mix it in the drinking water. So by the time I bring it here, they're going to be really thirsty and they will take it immediately. So I'm going to withdraw the water that is inside and wash those drinkers and clean them up and be able to look for them the charcoal. Okay, let's go in. So you see, they don't want camera. I finished getting the drinkers. They really had water, but then I have to start the bird. So I'm going to clean them up and then we can start making the charcoal. See, we are going to clean up all this and then we mix our charcoal here. Keep watching, don't click off. So yeah guys, here is my charcoal. I'm going to mix it with water and then I sieve it, because my blender cannot blend this hard charcoal. I really need to invest in getting a new blender, but yes, we are going to work with what is available. So I'm going to mix this charcoal with water and then I'll take my time and sieve it and make it really enjoyable for the birds. Of course, I'm going to use treated water so that water doesn't, be contaminated and be able to bring diseases in the house. So keep watching. This is a video that's going to teach you something. Charcoal is very good. It has a lot more benefits. So yeah, let's make this charcoal together. And so here we added our water and then I kept on stirring it to make it, dissolve into the water. So because it has some big particles inside, I'm going to sieve it and be able to give it to the birds. So keep watching. Some people prefer giving it in a powder form, but for me I wanted my birds to really take it so faster, and so I had to mix it in water. Both of them work, so it depends on that and the taste and preference of someone. So let's make. And so I've put about 6 liters in each drinker, and so come, let's take for the birds. They're waiting, they have been starving. Yeah, let's do this. Just look at how the birds are, struggling to consume. They are very happy. And I don't care about the color of the water. Sometimes these birds amaze me. As long as you bring something for them when they are thirsty or desperate, they don't care. Yeah, so they are enjoying the charcoal, and yeah, it's going to be helpful. Keep watching. Subscribe, give us a like, leave a comment for us in the comment section. So I've already given the birds the charcoal. As you've seen, they are already taking, and so I've observed that they had some bloody stools in their house. So I'm going to disinfect the house as well, so that in case the other birds do not eat those particular feces of the other birds also, so that at least we will limit the disease from spreading into the entire farm. So next on the agenda, disinfection. I'm going to use the disinfectant, and yeah, I'm going to see. And so the disinfectant that I'm going to use in this, it's called the View-Kill. It's very good. We actually use it to disinfect both surfaces and drinking water of the birds. So it's very good, and we are going to use 20 mils per 5 liters of water. So let's put it here and we go and disinfect the poultry house together. Thank you so much for watching. So we are disinfecting the whole house slowly, and yeah, we believe there's going to be an improvement after this. Thank you. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed and join the family. Leave a comment, share. Bye.